Rich, a good question. Where be Sammy? I didn't then a stake. Ghana, ya share knockout last year. Yantiasi game ya ye boy. I'm funny say a group game here, boy. Your knockout stages, ya share the asset and the reason is very simple. When him say when you lose, you are out. So in effect, a knockout now I shall say airborne. And it's only what is at stake. Now all prepare our mind the year. Fortunately for us, in terms of quality, in terms of experience, we have it. I mean virtually. Ababa wa Porsche Abache, the maestro. The old game numbiano onim. On say I don't idea about a boy say you crack quality almost sign at this level or munim at any point in the game. There was ye. Cynthia Kola Muna was our level of experience or munim say a drew stage say then I was here. Enti obeshes hani manina. Ya blended youthful exuberance with experience and a Bible gamey. To one, yen senior players never team they should be able to psych the rest of the team up. And mom say, look, and ya just a point in the basic qualification. The moment you benya a point, you share Malawians, which so themselves Malawians, before this competition, you're no more friendly, as you're more 4-0. And yes, they're a good side, we agree. But at least see it me free sa zo ni mu a near call the next stage ya ware shemuni GDA say enye Nigeria bi na enye Zambia bi Barbara Banda be haye na Zambia no ya pamo no or Kofi you get it and you know say Malawi very interesting so interesting it was such an interesting group at a point the Zambian felt they felt they had qualified they felt they had secured qualification mitie ya nkasa ya mami no hotel. Mitie no krana o ememobo. Unze na omo ye bit naive about. And you know, it's so interesting. And also now see editu ya hunfo say o hwe de eto Zambia. Anka group ana Zambia, Malawi, Nigeria mo ewo mu de you'd expect that obo weni straight away. Obo Nigeria no obo Zambia. But Zambians Kofi. And I was saying taking a cue from it. No say football no be aba be hubo. So, on that score, yam fire niagro. Rich, unim, there's one good thing about this team. Now, first of all, say also issue of head to weather. Ghana or that psychological edge over the Malians. 6 games that we've played against them, you 4 wins, you draw back when you lose back. So psychologically, you was throw at the chain or they are not to chain offer by virtue of pedigree, by virtue of history. Your sounds was throw at the chain Malians. And you know, ordinarily, and can go into such a game one, and it's a pressure also. But the idea who say normally game I what the mindset to say me what draw crime I qualify no. In a way, am I a bit jittery? So why you only me because you might think say me here just a draw to secure qualification. The only neighbor so the mindset is that say me win am free. And to an only game ni na only trimuso no ya san no person or take ese. And see one shabeka say yes psychologically your advantage. But if I be so no press and about beto Ghana some more. And unfortunately so tournament you too much now winning. Yes. And convincing. One said the positives about our team they say one. You create chances against Kivedians. Mitie young coach. Your second game no my impression say yet me create chances. But honestly speaking, Obi o share against Cameroonians no clearly who say against Cameroonians me ain't create clear cut opportunities. Rich. It was clear. Said the Kevedians no at a point yet me create more than 8 chances no against Cameroon yenyanisa. But one says so a comparative analysis the difference between Cameroon and the Malians no say yes Malians no so physical but said the Cameroonians near very organized at the defense no Malians no ntesa Shamu mindset omo the ball and no overall play they always love to attack on person express it in the game and in so doing a drew baby a lot of gaps me who sad against Cameroon and against Kevet me who sad no free so me who minya say okay against Cameroon ball good football Cameroonians say about good football, and say about good football. But now Shana I say Obia strong young Kubi. I say you're a bit cautious. Cameroonians no almost a bit cautious. But when the Malians will come at us, on be big game and your game on be defended. Because that has always been their style. And almost saying here the free maximum points. Hence, they want to go all out. And it's one go all out there. It means that a game I used to create a lot of opportunities. And rich competition, the Elboa Ghana Bako has got to do with our defense being marshaled by your legend, veteran Poshabuachi. While marshal defense is so well, Ababa Away, dear said that Ehu Subebri. And Ababa way Josephine Bonsu. She's been so incredible upon the ball Germany. Now, Osha will be our bottom no ache. Meaning Western no right back when the ball no bono and wedding. Yen defense no we have an okay defense. Cynthia Conlan or you'll be on your G3 or a well composed. Yeah, Medford and so there of course with Jennifer Kujo, Grace Asantuano. Who that level of stability any hope be. But I have a problem no has got to do with say Medford ne attack you know as a sad telepathy no yehu rich idea I
also any say chances
any more so Grace Buadua
Chantal Mubogusa
Chantal cry the most surprising thing is that Chantal cry na yenim no no nim say ono and be fa game no yen typical number 10 our playmaker also Chantal eye adwuma no kra no Chantal aye very quiet all tournament we so surprising and yes I nim Chantal and until am yedru be na make say mumie master la nya meche nso wo hu emra because with that talent so no so in a way the reality check ebe bre Chantal imagine say Stella started na Chantal started from bench rich but also when am point exactly and you about Grace Buedu and so I think she ought to be talked to. Because Doris Buedu are a fine talent. Because basically my general say, your first game, no, so I go now say against Cape Verde, no. No, you get edge opportunity yet or say. But then the other ones, no, she flabbed them.
Okay.
Because this is a game where, bro, you ain't me for they say, you be Lucy. Since you quit anymore. Near the quarterfinals, said near Shia Malawi, Nanyami, I don't near show more. Yes, secure yen ticket to Brazil. And for now, I don't need idea again a new show. Yen can't say a percentage AFCON trophy in the first two, but rather before a secure qualification. And I think that we have a good team now. What's the deal, coach Nhyira? Yen first game, me and second game. Only one substitution and a bemu. Rich against Cameroon. Oma Baba is Zakaria Ajapana. On the Baba replace Princess Malfo. One say Princess Malfo. And then Ababa friend Alice Kusi. Omna from the West. And Omna pretty from. And your first game, no Princess Malfo started, but second game, no. Or the Ababa friend Zakaria Ajapana and a buy. Meaning, Usha the squad now, or maintain the squad now a boy, no. The first 11, no. Except substitution nearby, no. Actually, we're who the team, no so. And it is understandable because on the team no aye adwuma at least the past 2 years or no money aye adwuma. Hence it is understandable when a buama the friend cohesion, telepathy, team chemistry aye adwuma. So many problem. Me sure say best take it to the line now. But probably one matter about sorry because say Malians no so be a bit physical. Omo combine physique with flair. And see I was say maba one they should be able to stand up to the task because set games wrong. So Coco players are almost too soft. Rich the danger room and it's a ubehuno. Normally and sleep with your false. Because against Cameroon who steady Adibia, the Cameroonians also had flair. Okay. It is all steady. Yani almost bona ya pesi the flair bono. No musu to but the down what they not normal the world beat here. Yeah. It's showed on the pitch. Okay. And you know that part you know and also a shin but Rich me feel say generally will be Samuel. Malians, so the tendency so Mbeshe goal very high. There's a possibility they could score a goal. But the idea be all Malians in team.
So it means that they'll say a clinical.
I'll say a clinical because Malians
only team likely to be the ball.
Yes.
So one clinical or draw Nunya.
Perfect. Because Rich Mali in the first game when you say in the scoreline here say.
Only Cameroon. So 3-2.
3-2. Sana in the first game.
Yeah.
The second game good. The second game, Pastor, I say.
On a Cape Verde,
yes.
And also, I think 3-2 or so.
So was it 2-1 or 3-2? mu baako but no difference one goal sir
no difference one
yes incident say no so far chede na Ghana in terms of goal difference yes same education be say last team no ye be na free mu ye mfa ono ne results no e mama mesem enti amfa mama mesem a goals a wo be share the tia last team yard no eno no e matter you get it okay eno na ama say also advantage no I here just a draw it is social media 3 year rich me enye mo say scoring against them enye an issue. But the main challenge has got to do with say you bet me up 90 minutes without conceding a goal and but what the mention that is the main challenge because yes Ghana the positive is that your boy against Cameroon if not for that penalty a referee Nigeria and come from open play come on from ball and to your net Tinan Kalfanka in 2 matches and can concede from open play which are very remarkable very good for us but the problem so they say yen attack no and midfield no sa chemistry no anyhow so we need to work rich yes
no qualification
and yes keke will qualify we are very confident that we will qualify you be qualify
memfa news we enwura mansa na yala enso etimi aba ye catch am say CAF Champions League and Confederation draw no mo eye na our Confederation dey na wie almost 12 no Champions League dey no na ya kasa sisi enyanum Nations FC omo beko eye mari omo ne FC dia na ebebo omo bo wia as out two games no do obehye bia no ebehia the winner of AS eye Azam omo eye Niger and I say Asco Dikara omo so owo eye Togo
Dikara dey so onye any team
yeah
Asco Dikara eye team
say akoba ne say daachi bia no
say omo sha FC Diara omo sha we say the game is between
between ASM and then Asco
no AS Real de Bamako and I say
Mali for de Bamako
Samun because sana mi menya no Asco the car mu free Togo
on the
and ebeye next round of the winner no anti no but before I allow bebe no menya we quick na me so open charger papa between the dware me patro dware come on natural selection charger and ebe mo anya on natural color no oye tuntum ebe to so kokko ebe to so kama sham ene frɛ hu ntim patro dware bi wate na ebe bo pa ma o color no me frɛ no jo color nti kotobi ye frɛ no camel natural selection charger o dwa bi bia ebetimi aboa yi pa cosmetic shop bia no ebi o 0243 744 Rostex building product omo and the dance ya uniama bebre ediaba ebi a roofing sheet to roofing sheet papa through omo nsam na a roofing sheet ni bi wono mensuo sha asese to a na ewi na che na be na afei odon mo esoso mpacho ya roofing sheet de papa bi a enwe na che sanso eneba edan mu asiesie a awon ceiling no ye POP plaster board acoustic solution ni na no ye bi wi a na the electricals no e de account so electricals na go ya acoustic board ni na emfaso bia emaso ne fe no emma so ntini na na dance de ne bosso mu asiesie and electricals and a Rockset building product no and I come for and so e di ama kumase amacha kwan eye adakwaja ache ya baby asante kotoko training grounds no wono wo mo kan your Taifa junction Accra in Sawom kan so sabetimi akomo and so 0544 338 042 namnomo eni komo Jumia app no o download bi our phone so abebo pa na bibia auto our online bia na akoyie ye ton bibia wo so na niam na efo na ye papa na Ghana afa na bibia so all the sitting regions ni nyina no ye wo ye pick up point awo ha onso betimi akwakoto niam na oto na onya problem bia so na betimi asa return na waje ye usika ti Jumia Ghana app no download bi abo ye phone so amante community bank PLC ye se bra na beje besia ye interest rate no awo da form boko chese ebetimi aboawo ama onso no wetimi ajebesia betimi atua enya ba bia na ajebesia ya ba bi wa akwadwo mbesia ntimi ntua because esi ho no too much but aman said ye beboawo ama onso no wanya besia na wo de aye adwuma bia ye kuani so ho eye na abefia ma ajebesia bi account awo na bibia enkoyi emfa emawo branches ne so bebre Roman Hill Ahojo Sofula Santase ene miamia pi se ni wana ye bie eye manso kaniago new branch aye bia no erunti aya na otimi awram na no madi nkomo 0247 200013 amuzu hair food no so odwa so me pato fa bi sesa otinwinum na oba otinwina etitiri dina enyai so ehwo na ewo otirinum dina me pato betu ase na otina ota dwudwudwum ya na mu ya ohene ni dina ehwo na me pato onya amuzu hair food a ebeboa na etu ase na otinwi no etimi aye kama pa enso edi ama amuzu junction tafo inshare so remo cosmetic shop bia so a ebi awo 0242 955 056 na munomo eni eye enkomo ayala aminti o Black Queens game no na yenko enim
which ebe anti climax pa se coach Kimlas ene ye mabawa na entimi an qualify ko World Cup ebe anti climax pa di inti America sa ne se unsisi a se oba Ghana football mo a emma pa na e ade emma no nso no omo youth teams no e ko World Cup se oka emma footballer e ko yie o Ghana champion so ne Black Queens
okay
and enye se emma football no a e ko yie no akoye ja Black Queens no na almost e hoso koye ma ade ni dimu nti ebe ya hometesem say yesi o emma football e koye o Ghana na say oh emma national teams ne ya ade omo leagues ene FA Cup ne koye clubs ne kra kese no me koye o ma football ankasa na mmom no
Black Queens
entimi an qualify ko World Cup.
Big blow.
Yes. Ebe ya reho sempa. Enunti ena enemi gidi se ombenya qualification no. Say countries na was a qualify for the next round ewo competition no. Akaba akupe wo. And bakupe no is determined by animal game no. Na ye jina ye because ye bo draw mpa ye be qualify nti I will find it very difficult to accept say Nansen Black Queens ya medi meniem any the general feeling around Emma football Ghana no rich yakodum pempen so bi say ye hia a draw against Mali to qualify to the knockout stages of Emma AFCON and ye intimi anye. I'll be no papa.
Okay.
Now my follow Black Queens for no. And I think say fundamentally problems in getting to team. Say the last time I bought AFCON any AFCON ya boy. Rich Emani bi elusi omutim so omubo. So for instance, Obia nim say Grace Asantoa obotim wo Mexico. But which say oh ya unattached. Se wo hwe emfie a ebi muso adi say Alice Kusi ye captain Portia Boachemo. Omumfie so kwa na ekọ nanim. And there are a lot of other ladies in your team now. Rich, they are unattached sisia. And yes, the team look good on paper, but in terms of match fitness, ankasano, who share Black Queens na no say I say there's something missing out of our performance. No, yes, I did na.
Go ni club
any ebimuni club say. Your goalkeeper Cynthia, no problem. Josephine Bonsu right back, no problem. Ubeje di say Benedict Simon na oboy treno. Rich onye left back o your right back. And you compromising the ball. Now you could clearly see say or lack the physicality in the African game no. Born there or you good but we are na. And because onye natural left back in intino. Rich there are some passes be or her. I was a and it is affecting the way we operate as a team. That is the gospel truth. Dia any Porsche Boache 4 and 5 free dear meaning who some car. Again, Obi our follow me analysis on the Black Queens behind him by Adrian say I've been consistent say e ba ye mfimfi hona Grace Asantua Kujo and a Chantel boy ye 6, 8 and 10 no. The way anka e was say machine no e fana omo click no. Sa afkon we ye say omo click sa. Whether omo form na ba form whether your rules no montiasio. There seems to be something missing from sa 3 players now and ka engine room on here show me the last the way they will click obiat in rule I say obiat finding each other they understanding but this particular Afcon no Rich as a BB Nhyira from Mubo no Mubonim and unim Chantal rise to become one of the household names in them because of Bona in the few years or three, you know. But Rich, I no crase me for then click here, but it has affected Chantal Papa. Tournament who so cry, and she's supposed to be the link between the midfield and the attack. And your main number 10 on who so ye, and it's Russia. In the last game, your boy against Cameroon, in the second half, now was see pushing the core wings near the Evelyn Bedube bought the position on them. And see, I am pioneer training, and I was see a boss say, "Sa click the befa." Then the last thing, Rich, Utimus coach Kevilas, struggle pa to get the right combination our wings or. So far, obi a wabebo bia enchre say position ni ene dia. And we use so many now. Alice Kusia Bobi, Princess Abobi, Adobia Abebobi. The last time we said Zakaria Estati here. Enti ya wingers ya do mo call tournament no. The only player onya mebo game ni bi Esther Nyameche. Apart from that there coach now rotating everyone was starting way now we have a ball none of them and it's near convincing and just so many skill sets no they do have it but for some reasons omuntimin kleke was our Afcon way Rich say your time bia we need to start picking not whatever the problem ayentia born a woman entimin babo until was ba is to start from an annual game
ko neza in a knockout
yes. And Malawi for now are very stubborn. They are beatable. And no across Zambia show 2-1. They are very, very beatable, especially say ultimate klepe and you are for me. No more team now 10 and 11 now. They are beatable, but you need grade A performance to beat Malawi. And see, yeah, we say you benya results now a perfume Mali game you know. Say you push any intimin let's defend and get the draw and qualify. Okay. Na yemfa Malawi for into Senyeni, especially near how Zambia for were able to get the results from them on near where bit my Serbia. Cut the supplies to their main and dangerous players, you know. Now here we see bit my queen. Send a medical can reach. I'll be so sad and a bit so anticlimax. See a black queen in the me and ya take it and co Brazil walk up in me. Ebeya papa. Okay. Ebeya.
If I see any be emphama ayen na P phones and accessories, my catcher say